Hi friends, today we are making Peruvian mushroom ceviche lettuce cups, a raw, garden-fresh ceviche with juicy mushrooms, lime, ají, avocado, tomatoes, and cilantro. It is bright, fast, and perfect when you want something refreshing without turning on the stove. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 25 minutes. Let's walk through the fresh ingredients. 12 ounces fresh cremini mushrooms are the hearty base, giving this raw ceviche a tender, meaty bite after the lime marinade. 1 cup fresh lime juice gives the ceviche its classic Peruvian brightness and gently softens the mushrooms as they marinate. 1 small red onion adds sharpness, crunch, and the purple color that makes the ceviche look so lively. 1 ají limo or jalapeño brings fresh chili heat. Choose ají limo when you can find it for a more Peruvian flavor. 1 garlic clove gives the marinade a savory backbone without overpowering the lime and herbs. 1 teaspoon fine sea salt wakes up every flavor and helps the mushrooms release a little juice into the ceviche. 1 cup cherry tomatoes add sweet garden juiciness and a beautiful red pop against the mushrooms. 1 ripe avocado makes the ceviche creamy and rich, balancing the acidity of the lime. 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves gives the ceviche its unmistakable fresh herbal finish. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil rounds the edges of the marinade and gives the mushrooms a glossy finish. For butter lettuce leaves turn the ceviche into crisp, refreshing cups for serving. We begin the preparation by wiping 12 ounces fresh cremini mushrooms clean, trimming the stem ends, and slicing the mushrooms about 1/4 inch thick so they can soak up the lime evenly. Now that the mushrooms are sliced, place all 12 ounces into a wide matte white mixing bowl, spreading them out so the marinade can touch as much surface as possible. Pour 1 cup fresh lime juice over the mushrooms, aiming around the bowl so the juice reaches the bottom and begins the ceviche marinade right away. Fold the mushrooms through the lime juice until every slice looks glossy, then let them rest for 10 minutes so the raw mushrooms soften and turn more ceviche-like. While the mushrooms are marinating, thinly slice 1 small red onion into delicate slivers so it blends into the ceviche instead of dominating each bite. Mince 1 ají limo or jalapeño finely, and if you want a milder ceviche, remove some of the seeds before chopping. Finally grate 1 garlic clove, keeping it almost paste-like so it disappears into the lime marinade rather than leaving harsh chunks. After the first 10-minute rest, add the sliced red onion, the minced ají, the grated garlic, and 1 teaspoon fine sea salt to the limey mushrooms. Toss everything gently, then let the mixture rest for another 10 minutes so the onion softens, the chili perfumes the bowl, and the mushrooms become juicy. As that second rest finishes, have 1 cup cherry tomatoes so their juices can mingle with the marinade without making the ceviche watery. Dice 1 ripe avocado into bite-sized pieces, keeping the cubes fairly chunky so they stay creamy and intact when folded into the ceviche. Chop 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves just before adding them, because freshly cut cilantro gives the brightest herbal aroma. Now fold in the halved cherry tomatoes, the diced avocado, the chopped cilantro, and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, using a gentle motion so the avocado does not mash. Arrange 4 butter lettuce leaves on a matte white platter, choosing leaves that naturally cup the ceviche and stay crisp under the juicy filling. Spoon the mushroom ceviche into the lettuce leaves, dividing it evenly into 4 servings and letting a little lime marinade settle into each cup. Serve the ceviche immediately after assembling. While the lettuce is crisp, the mushrooms are juicy, and the avocado still looks fresh, the raw preparation is complete. This Peruvian mushroom ceviche delivers exactly what we promised: bright lime, gentle chili heat, crisp garden freshness, and a satisfying raw ceviche texture without turning on the stove. Serve the lettuce cups right away while the avocado is creamy and the mushrooms are juicy. If you enjoyed this fresh recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more recipes.